G'day everybody, Artist Wayne here, riding somewhere in the forests of Cambodia or the Ourimbah State Forest of New South Wales. It's one or the other, but I'm so tired I don't know which. It feels like only yesterday I was on a big ride. In fact, it was yesterday that I was on a fantastic Frank ride. And 2 days before that I was on a Mad Mal ride. 3 rides in 4 days. No wonder I feel so stuffed. But when my mate, the one and only Gaz Gaz, contacted me on Sunday night begging for me to go out on a ride with him because he's been locked up for so long now, well, what are friends for? And just quietly, boys and girls, I was thinking to myself, I hope this isn't going to be a hard ride. Strange, I know, seeing as I was the one leading the ride, but everybody that knows me would have to agree there's something not quite right in my upstairs department. You see, my curiosity far outweighs my ability, and I often take trails I probably shouldn't take. Which is what happened today. We ended up on one of those rides where you start to think to yourself, will we get out of here before dark? Will we be leaving our motorcycles in the bush? But I'm getting ahead of myself, so strap yourselves in, relax, and enjoy the ride. Gaz Gaz making a sacrifice to the KTM gods before hitting our next hill. Oh dear, obviously he didn't make a big enough sacrifice. That's attempt 1, Gaz Gaz. There's attempt number 2. Attempt number 3. And Gaz Gaz finally does it. And this is where the ride took an unexpected turn. It was all downhill from here. This was the part of the ride that would sap all our energy, and to be honest, I wasn't feeling too well to start with. Oh great, now we had to get over a tree. Just what I needed. Remember that 90s film Cliffhanger? No, neither did I until I arrived here. Thank God we're almost at the bottom of the cliff, I mean. And there was now a certain sense of urgency hanging in the air. Because who knows where the we were, or how long it was going to take to get out. Pretty soon we came to a T-intersection in what appeared to be a beautiful rainforest. We then tried going up, and after struggling through thick bush and vines, we came to a dead end. There was only one way left to go. We needed to turn around and go down. And everybody knows the further down you go, the further you need to climb out. We then had to get across a creek full of sticky quicksand and little creatures that swim up human orifices that you can't get out. For our sake. After getting separated from Gaz Gaz for a short while, I found the way out. A loose, slippery climb out that would take every bit of energy we had left if we wanted to get out of here alive. climbed for what felt like forever. I sensed we were getting nearer to the top. And after hours of struggling in this f***ing valley, we finally made it out. Oh, thank God.
I've got such bad arm pump.
Oh.
Painful fucking pump it.
Oh. Oh, I've never been so happy to see a road. Gaz Gaz.